Good afternoon, BSc third year students. We discuss about the integrated fish farming. What is meant by integrated fish farming? Integrated fish farming is nothing but that modern fish farming or technically modified fish farming applied in the fish culture. So it is known as the integrated fish farming. Integrated fish farming uh, developed from the paddy cum fish culture, pig farm, pig cum fish farm culture, uh, cattle cum fish farming, pig cattle fish farming. These types different technically uh, develop the integrated fish farming. First, we discuss about the uh, paddy cum fish culture. Paddy means rice. आपण त्याला मराठीत भात असे म्हणतो. जिथे की भाताची शेती केली जाते त्यामध्ये फिश कल्चर केले जातात. तुम्हाला तुमच्या शेतामध्ये माहिती असेल की ज्या शेतामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त पाणी थांबतं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये बरेचसे बेंडूक मासे ही थांबलेली असतात आणि अशा ठिकाणी आपण काय करतो, साळीचं पीक घेतो. साळ म्हणजे भात, आणि त्या ठिकाणी सहजपणे ते भाताची शेती यशस्वी राहते. अशाच रिजनला आपण पॅडी कम फिश कल्चर असं म्हटलं जातं. पॅडी मीन्स राईस, yes, and culture or farming is nothing but to cultivation. Paddy cum fish culture is a specific type of the pond, and among the pond, that is the different types of the fishes culture means that is majority predatory fishes and some carbs also culture, because it is a predatory fishes feed on the insects and easily attract the insects towards the paddy. And some phytoplanktons, carnivorous fishes also grow in the paddy field because algae also present inside this water. Easily the sunlight penetrate to the bottom and to grow the algae. Means herbivorous and carnivorous fishes also develop in the paddy field, means major carps, exotic carps and predatory fishes also develop in the paddy field. Yes, in the paddy field, that is the dike, or a dike is nothing but the special type of the ponds which found the fishes inside the ponds. Yes, and the in the integrated fish farming, not only that it take India but also the other countries also contribute in the integrated fish farm. That is the worldwide involve the paddy field, paddy cum fish culture. The first rank countries which may be, that is the China, Indonesia, Philippines, yes, and Korea. These countries famous about the paddy field. That is the first rank of the practice to culture large amount area occupy the China. Indonesia also the contribute about the paddy fish culture. India also contribute the India, Philippines. Yes, these countries famous in the paddy field. In India, that is the West Bengal, Kerala, Assam, Maharashtra, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, yes, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the famous state about the paddy cum fish culture, because in these areas I just describe to maximum water occupied area. Maximum water occupied area in this region. In this region means actually Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, yes, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh. Maharashtra also occupy and practice the paddy cum fish culture. What is the advantages of paddy cum fish culture? These big advantages, yes, and maximum advantages about the paddy cum fish culture: high yield and few breed, yes, within the 3 months. All of you know that is the how many breed required to the paddy. म्हणजे भाताची शेती करण्यासाठी आपल्याला किती महिने लागतात? 3 महिन्यामध्ये भाताची शेती येते. त्याच पाण्यासोबत दुसरेही मासे ग्रो होतात. फिंगरलिंग जर आपण 3 महिन्यामध्ये केली तर ते मॅच्युअर कंडिशनमध्ये होतात आणि ॲडव्हान्स कंडिशनमध्ये आपल्याला मार्केटेबल साईज फूड म्हणून यूज करता येतो. पॅडी कम फिश कल्चरमध्ये सर्वात जास्त फिशेसना फूड मिळतं ते म्हणजे अल्गी पण मिळते, नॅचरल फूड पण मिळतं आणि कार्निवरस पण फूड मिळतं. आणि इन्सेक्ट्स त्या पॅडी कम फिश कल्चरकडे म्हणजे भाताच्या फुलांकडे किंवा वासाच्या दृष्टिकोनातून इन्सेक्ट अट्रॅक्ट होतात आणि ते बरेचसे पाण्यामध्ये पडतात आणि ते त्यांचं फूड म्हणून फिशेस यूज करतात. यस, दॅट इज अ न्यूट्रिटिव्ह लेबर, सिंगल लेबर, डबल इन्कम. कमी निंदण्याची किंवा खुरपण्याची किंवा तिथे मशागत करण्याची काहीही गरज नसल्यामुळे कमी लेबर लागतात आणि जास्तीत जास्त उत्पन्न ह्या पॅडी कममध्ये मिळू शकतं. आणि डबल उत्पन्न मिळू शकतं कोणतं? फिशचं आणि भाताचं पण. आणि इझिली अवेलेबल नॅचरल फूड, इझिली अवेलेबल production of the high yield, wastewater recycling, natural food control the fishes, aquatic weeds also control the fishes. Yes, which is this, how many fishes? Majority, that is the tilapia, Mozambica control the weeds, grass carp also control the weeds, and other fishes control the insects also. All type of fishes cultured in the paddy field. Successful fish farming in the paddy field. Yes, not only that is the typical type of fishes cultured in the paddy field, but also the other species, that the cutla, libio, mrigal, cyprinus carpio, grass carp, silver carps, Clarius batrachus, mungil, Mr. Singala. These species also cultured in the paddy field. Yes, what is the density of the paddy field? How many depth area? Which types of area required to the paddy field? That is the paddy field hatching 2.5 to 3 million hectare per million per year hectare. Yes, and fry 0.1 to 2 million per hectare. Fingerlings 5,000 to 6,000 per hectare. Yes, of cutla, rohu, mrigal, these fingerlings are stocked in the ratio of 3:2:5. In this, that is the density stock in the pond and high get the yield in this area. In this area means paddy field area. That is the qualities of fish culture. Species which is a major carp fishes, majority culture in the paddy field. Not only that is a major carps, exotic carp also species easily grow in this water and tolerate temperature and tolerate the high temperature also in this area. Yes, Next criteria which is required to the paddy field, liming of the paddy. Liming of the paddy means actually pesticides can be not applied in this area, chemicals not applied. The water must be greater and necessary to the paddy field. Yes, these are the basically advantages of the paddy field required to the required. Yes, and simple just I describe the advantages. Yes, or its objective. What is the disadvantages of the paddy field? त्याचे काय काय तोटे आहेत कशाचे पॅडी फील्डचे? तर पॅडी फील्डचे in dish criminate used to insecticides of the paddy, pesticide deposit in the paddy field, do not require the manpower. Pesticides can death of the fish. Paddy field environment may be produce toxicity and disorders in the human body, especially nervous system. Problem of maybe causes the paralysis. The simple disadvantages and few disadvantages are found inside the paddy field. Yes. Now, student, we discuss about the in the integrated fish farming. Next article and important article, that is fish cum pig farming. फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग. फिशेससोबत डुकर पालन कसं केलं जातं, वराह पालन कसं केलं जातं याविषयी आपल्याला माहिती करून घ्यायची आहे. जेव्हा वराह पालन केलं जातं, जेव्हा आपण त्याला डुकर म्हणतो, डुकरांचं जे काय वेस्ट मटेरियल येतं ते एका टँकमध्ये जमा केलं जातं आणि त्या टँकमधलं वेस्ट मटेरियल पॉन्ड्समध्ये पाठवलं जातं, पॉन्ड, आणि ते पॉन्डमध्ये फिश कल्चर केलं जातं. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणलं, फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग. फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग त्याची व्याख्या काय आहे, काय सिंपल डेफिनेशन आहे? कल्चर ऑफ फिशेस असोसिएटेड विथ द पिग. कल्चर ऑफ फिशेस विथ द पिग, दॅट इज नोन ॲज अ फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग. माशांसोबत डुकर पालन केलं जातं, वराह पालन केलं जातं, म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणलं, फिश कम पिग फार्मिंग असं म्हटले जाते. That is the two animals, sometimes three animals also cultured in this water. That is known as the double tiered culture. Double means two. Yes, pig and fish. These are to get the high production. Means with the not only that is the fish but also pig also grow in this farming. Yes, all these animals are cultured. Two-tiered house. Yes, in this single chamber, double profitable pig farming. It is what is the aim behind this pig farming? Pig is nothing but it get the highest meat, it delicate, that is the muscles. Fish also the delicate fish, delicate food. To all these animals require the water sources. Yes, water sources in the river, canals. These are the very important area about the and wastewater. These sources is very important near the fish from pig farming. Under these sedimentation tanks, these the easily available, easily culture the fishes. In majority the fish come pig farming cultured in the agricultural, and this waste material goes to the other products, feed, crop, that is the paddy also. Pig cultured, that is waste material in the tank, stock of the tank, and these materials goes toward the pond, easily grow the fishes, and this waste water goes to the paddy. Yes, means actually fish production, pig production, and paddy. That is a three-tiered production also. Yes, what is the average uh, uh, production of these fish come pig farming? Near about 8 ton pig per annum. 8 ton pig per annum production in our country. Yes, that is the so the pig farming, pig and fish farming is successful. Pig contain the organic and inorganic manure, uh, and it contain the nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. In these pig culture in the ponds, stocked the ponds. Before the stocking the ponds, they will be fertilized before the stocking. Pig and fish are reared for a typical period near about 1 year. Pig are bathed in the fish farm or open ponds. Fish farm or open pond. Pig can be feed the some plants and fishes uh, to give these some aquatic weeds, supply to the aquatic weeds, that is the Pistia, Ipomea, Lima, Azolla. These are the weeds actually to supply or collect the collect in the ponds. Both are the food of the pig and fishes also. Sometimes the criteria which is required to the polyculture to applied in this fish farming, pig farming, I already given in the figures. I will give notes. Both the culture, the integrated fish farming and exotic fish farming, both the fishes are cultured in the ratio of 16 is to 16, 12 into 16 into 19 in the ratios. Yes, and its production, not only that is indigenous fishes but also exotic and predatory fishes also cultured in the fish cum pig farming. And predatory fishes, channa, catfishes, yes, clarias, batracus, these are the fishes also cultured in the in this pig fish cum pig farming, and its production 2 to 7 ton per year. Yes, these are the production of these fishes. What is the significance of the fish cum pig farming? Number one, each is the fish pig is pig is very important characteristics about the uh, its meat, and not only that is a meat, that it gives the maximum organic and inorganic fertilizers, that is the manure also, and this manure help to the fishes. Waste manure, it contain the maximum food, waste food, these are the essential for the fish. Both the criteria are required. Some fishes eat away at the extract used to the fishes of the pigs. Supplementary fish feeding is not required. That is the best advantages. Yes, pond is used for the bathing of the pigs. Pond is used for the bath of the pig. Water plant collect in the ponds, and it is used as a fodder. It may be that is the in pond aquatic weeds. These aquatic weeds collect the pigs and is used as a fodder for the pig. These are the basic significance about the fish cum pig farming. Yes, these types, that is two articles just I have described: paddy cum fish culture and fish cum pig farming. Yes, If you have any difficulty to ask me, I will give the some MCQs related to the integrated fish farming. Yes, good day. Thank you.